Hi DCS, this is Miss Bruce. We're going to be moving on to our next PE lesson. This is grades 3 through 6. Before we get started, we're going to go over our learning targets. These learning targets today, you do not have to repeat after me because they are long ones. So I'm going to give them to you. Make sure you're thinking about them and listening. I can change pathways, levels, and directions during a variety of physical activity. I can challenge myself in all activities. And I can perform safely. Boys and girls, when you are doing these exercises, make sure you're performing them safely and having fun with them, okay? We're gonna get started. Let me set this down. As you can see, I have everything laid out here. If you don't have any chalk, that is okay. You can use different type of material or equipment at home that you may have. Pretty simple, easy. I have a ladder right here. I have some cones set up, and then I have a little fun hop game at the end. Okay, so we're gonna get started here. The first thing you're gonna do, again, if you don't have chalk, you can just do this as I go. You're gonna start here, and you're gonna go out, in, out, in, out. Then you're gonna turn around and start again. Out, in, out, in, out, in. I would like you to do that 3 times, and each time that you do it, make sure you go a little bit faster, okay? The next one, you'll be at cones. My cones are not spread out that far. Spread them out as far as you can and just do your best. The idea is you want to sprint to each cone and do that exercise. If you can't, you may just walk to it. So the first exercise we're going to do is 10 jumping jacks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The next cone you're going to do is 10 squats. Remember, if you can sprint to that cone, sprint to that cone. If you can't, just walk. 10 squats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you get to the next cone, you're gonna do 10 push-ups. Make sure your back is straight and not up like a tent or like a seal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you get to the next cone, you're gonna do ski jumps. Make sure you're doing them right, go and do them slow. You're gonna start out down and do a jump to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. I would like you to do that 2 times through. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go to our next thing. Again, I had chalk. I was able to come out here and draw this out. If you can, you can use index cards or pieces of paper to do this. I also have a dice. If you don't have a dice, you can put numbers 1 through 6, like I have on an index card, and just draw numbers. So I'm gonna shake the dice, and I'm gonna roll it. I get 1 hop. So I'm gonna hop. Inside, these are some multiplication, adding, subtracting, and division. First thing I have is 8 minus 3. Well, what is 8 minus 3? Okay, if I don't have a dice and I have papers, I can draw a card. And I have 2. 1, 2. I land on 10 times 3. What is 10 times 3? You can draw another card. Oh, I got 3. 1, 2, 3. 25 divided by 5. What is 25 divided by 5? You can, again, you can lay this out using different stuff at home, sneakers, toys, anything that you have with your math. You guys are at different levels of math for grades 3 through 6, so use the proper math that you have for these type of games. Okay, let's stretch. After you're done, we will stretch. In butterflies, I say 1, you say 2. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Excellent. One leg in and one leg out. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, and switch. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Excellent, guys. Make sure when you are done working out, you stretch. We're gonna go over our character targets one more time. Again, you don't have to repeat them. What I want you to do during this exercise or these activities is make sure that you try to change different pathways, use different levels and directions like I performed for you. Challenge yourself, do your very best, go as hard as you can, okay? And perform safely. Again, you're gonna do the ladder 3 times. Down and back is 1. Try to make them go faster each time. Over at the cones, you'll go down, you walk back around and do it again twice. And then over at the math station, you can play that as long as you want. Try to get as few math in there as you can. But that last part is just something to have fun with. Okay, bye guys.